we have this expression to simplify, and the first step we are going to apply here is KCF. What as such, we are going to have this 3x squared minus 12 divided by 18x cubed multiplied by 12x to the power of 3 divided by 4x plus 8. Then here we are going to divide 12 and 18 divided by 6. When 12 divided by 6 here, that will give us 2, and 18 divided by 6, that will give us 3. Then now the expression becomes here 2 into 3x to the power of 2 minus 12 divided by 3 into 4x plus 8. We are going to simplify this further. Inside here, we are going to factor out 3, and we are going to have a 2 multiplied by 3 into x squared minus 4, then divided by, here we factor out 4, we have 3 multiplied by 4 into x plus 2. Now we can express this in the term inside the bracket as difference of two squares, and you're going to have here 2 times 6, 2 times 3, that will give us 6 into, we have into x plus 2, then into x minus 2. That is, we express this term, this expression inside the bracket as difference of two squares. We multiply this out to get this exactly. Then divided by, here we have 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 4, that will give us 12 into x plus 2. Then now x plus 2 will cancel out x plus 2 here, and we have 6 divided by 12, that will give us 1 over 2 into x minus 2. And this is the simplified form of this expression here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.